So now, let's be intentional about our breathing so we can actually take control of our breathing. Now, I spent a lot of time building up this visual aid for you, okay? So, pizza, ice cream, root beer, I could have had a six-pack, I could have been ripped, but that wouldn't benefit you, and that's what my life was about. So I intentionally created this belly. You're welcome! It's a story I tell myself every single time. Okay, so now what I offer you, take two hands, put it on your belly, and you're going to breathe in, and when you breathe in, use your stomach muscles that I promise are under there. Okay? Use your stomach muscles, and I want you to try to breathe in and stick your belly out as far as you can. And then when you breathe out, you're actually going to use your stomach muscles and do what you do every time you walk by the mirror, and you're going to pull your stomach in just like that. Or is that just me? Okay, anyway, fine. So ready? Or when you're on the beach for the first time and you realize you should have started working out 6 months ago. Okay, so ready, everybody? Big belly breath in. Push your stomach out. And now breathe out. Pull your stomach in. And breathe in. Push your stomach out. And breathe out. Pull your stomach in more. And one more time. Breathe in. Stick your belly out as far as you can. And then breathe out. Pull your stomach in. Make sense? Okay, cool. Does it make sense? Okay, well, let me acknowledge. Okay, fine. So, another kind of breathing we do is called cold breathing, where you take your tongue, you put it behind the back of your bottom teeth like this. So take your tongue and put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, like that. This is your bottom teeth. Everybody know doing it? Okay, good. Everybody, so this is the way, this is called the Princess Flight Test. Everybody, to make sure you're doing it right, everybody go like this. Say, love. Love. To love. To love. Is a magical experience. Everyone say, knowledge. Knowledge. Okay, good, perfect. Now you're doing it right. So now that you have it down right, what you're going to do is I want you to breathe in with your mouth, okay? While your tongue is on the bottom of the back of your teeth like this. And breathe out. One more time, breathe in with your tongue on the bottom of your back of your teeth. And breathe out. What do you feel when you have the air go over your tongue? A cooling sensation, and that tricks your body into calming itself and relaxing. You can teach your kids this. It's magical. Make sense?